In this video, I will show you how to convert the number of decimal hours to Excel time like this. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, I have the number of hours in this column. Now, I want to convert this number of hours to Excel time. For example, the first value is 1 hour. So, the Excel time should be 1 am. Similarly, the fourth value is 12 hours. So, the Excel time should be 12 pm. But before we do that, we need to understand how time is handled in Excel. Excel stores time as a fractional value of 1 day and it is represented by a decimal value of 1, which is between 0 and 0.9999. That means if you have a 0 in a cell and if you format it as a time, you will get the time as 12 am. Similarly, the number 0.5 will become the time 12 pm and the number 1 will again become the time 12 am. So, to convert decimal hours to time, we need to divide the number of hours by 24, which is the total number of hours in one day. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now, select the cell containing the number of hours. Type the division operator slash followed by the number 24. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we got numbers instead of time. That is because we still need to format these values as a time. To do that, select all these cells and press the Ctrl and 1 keys on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now click the Custom option from the left side. Delete everything from the type text box and then type HH:MM as the format. This format will output time like the number of hours followed by a colon followed by the number of minutes. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have Excel time converted from the number of hours. Since the number of hours is given in the decimal values, 3.75 hours become 3:45 am. Similarly, the 6.5 hours do not become 6:50 am but 6:30 am. It is because 0.5 is half of 1, so when we convert it to time, 30 minutes is half of 1 hour, not 50 minutes. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.